Hey, this is Cliff from CT Mad Mods, and today I'm over at Alaska Snowmobile Salvage and ATV Repair. Todd said everything has got to go. Come pick up your project.
Today, we are offering our second annual offer of come get your project. I ain't gonna live long enough to get all these projects done, so you guys gotta come help a brother out. That's what I'm talking about.
He's got a ton of rigs here. They're all for sale. Come by, what, Monday?
Yeah, starting Monday. We'll run it all this week.
Yep. Monday the 22nd, I think.
I have no idea what the date is.
Something like that.
Monday.
Yeah, Monday. Come by Monday. Alaska Snowmobile Salvage and ATV Repair.
Projects galore. 4-wheelers, 3-wheelers, snow machines, jet skis. I got a couple of boats. Yeah.
It's all for sale.
Come get it.
Monday, Monday, Monday.
Runs.
They've all got runs? Wow.
This one needs motor fill. There's wheelers back there. The frames broke. Pretty much everything over here, with the exception of the 4-wheelers right there. Those are all customers.
Yeah.
Down at the end are our 4-wheelers.
And then this is your parts rigs.
Yep. And there's like 3 or 4 good projects over there. That Verticat, the motor's inside, the 450 motors, 0 mile. I really need to sell this. This runs, drives, started up, drive away. 660 Grizzly.
What you want for it?
42.
Word.
I think it's on Craigslist for 44.
Cool.
Yay.
Ooh. Hey, will you deliver to the airport?
I am more than happy to deliver to the airport. You see something you want, you live in the bush, I'll get it out to you. Both these dirt bikes are for sale. That bike I started to build as my dream bike. I got one surgery done, I got another one to go, and I am not gonna be able to ride this year. So that started as my dream bike. It is basically a brand new YZ125 top to bottom. The only thing I didn't do on it was the rear shock. This is basically a brand new CR 125, putting the new graphics on it and new tires right now, and it's the same show. It is brand new top to bottom. That's 0 mile motors on both of them, crank up, tires, forks, every bearing, seal, handlebars, all the bling. Yeah, these things are both good to go. $5 grand, take your pick, for best offer. Shaka!
There you go!
Come on down to ass! Now that's funny.